So, I've always wanted to get a tattoo, but I've been very scared of needles, so I found the perfect solution for it, which is the Prinker device. Now, I'm going to show you how to use the Prinker device right now. So, you push this button, and you open it, and you have to put the ink cartridges in. But what's amazing about these ink cartridges is that it's actually made of cosmetic products, so it's very good for the skin. You open this up like this, you pull it up, and then pull it out, and you push the cartridges in their respective direction, like so. And then you close this, and you close the Prinker device. So now we're almost ready to go. We have to turn the device on, so we press the on button right here. And we have to connect it to the Prinker app. So we're going to open the Prinker app, and we will scan the Prinker, and then the device name will appear in the app. And we see the name of the Prinker, so we press it. Okay, and now we can go right into our list of designs. So we can choose any design we would like, and we will have to download it. So I like this balloon design right here, and we press Prink, and then download. And then we wait for it to download onto the Prinker, and while we're waiting, we have to spray our skin with the skin primer. And this one is also good because it's made of cosmetic materials, so it's very good to set the color of your tattoo, like so. And then while we're waiting for it to dry, okay, now it says press, so we can press the button, which will light up. And once we press the button, the arrows will appear, and we can slide it over our skin, like so. And there we have it. And then we put it back, and we will spray our arm once more with the primer, like so, and it's done.